So it's Friday, July 5th, and I'm at a church on the grass. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm putting everything up before I get in trouble. So that inn will give you a room for $200 a night. Very sweet of them. Here's the commons. And there is a country store right up there. And just past that is another hotel that'll give you a room for $125, except they weren't there last night. So I ended up staying here at the Lime Congregational Church. It is a big church, and guess what? That clock goes off every hour on the hour with a big old bell. Yeah, great. Yeah, it's a very pretty place, Lyme, New Hampshire. A bit expensive. Anyway, I'm waiting for a ride this morning at 8 o'clock. It's like 5:30 in the morning right now. I'm going to take the ride over to a place called the Flume and pick up a package that my brother Applesauce sent me. And then I'm going to Kinsman's Notch, and that's where I start again. I wanted to get slack packed across to Kinsman, but that's not going to happen because it's July 5th and the Notch Hostel said, screw you, we're full and we don't need you. And I went, aw, you don't need me. That's not right. But that's the way life is sometimes. So I get to take all my food across to all those mountains today once I get there. There's a number of shelters there. I may end up staying on one of the shelters and see how far I can get today, because those are both the Kinsman is over 4K, so I'll be spending a night around 3,700. And then from there, I just keep on going until the whites are done. So let's get it started. Okay, I just got out of the cab. That was an amazing price. There he is right now. It's $130. Ooh, I may have to edit that number. Okay, here I go. As you can see, it's beautiful around me. I'm at the 1,802 mark. I'm pretty sure I did an 1,800 picture, but I'm over 1,800 miles now. I made that jump this morning, just now. It's 10 o'clock. Kinsman Pond Shelter is 10 miles away. I'm at the Kinsman Ridge Trail. And we'll see how this goes. Let me flip it around so you can see where I'm at. That is Moosilauke. And if I remember right, from a month and a half ago, you come right down here and there's a big falls right about there, and you can see the road, but it's another couple of miles as you come down, and then come back up out here. But that's Moosilauke. Good luck. I don't have to do that again. But what I do need to do is this trail, and it says Kinsman Pond Shelter is 10.7. There's another shelter with 6.7, so we'll see how this goes. And let me get my ass a-moving. Okay, so first off, I'm climbing. There's Moosilauke behind me. First thing I'm doing is climbing about 500 feet, and then I climb another 500 feet and get on top of Mount Wolf. And then I come down a little bit, and then we go another 2,000 feet up to get on top of the Kinsman. That's my understanding. Do I look worried to you? Not at all. Look, he's the man. Who's the man? That idiot right there with the beard. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, this thing just goes and goes and goes straight on up. Yay! I can hardly wait. Yeah, it just goes on up. Right, of course, it's coming out of this road, right? All right, I'm gonna stop filming until I get to the top where I can see some views. Whew. Pretty rocks. Yeah, all this trail is just like this, up and down and over boulders. Ugh. Yep. This is only the first 3 or 4 miles. Plenty left. I still got 392 miles left. Ooh, what? Under 400? Yeah, under 400. Ooh. I'm on the hunt to get this through and enjoy myself at the same time. Oh, this is pretty. Hey, here's one of the first views from the Whites. Holy cats. Wow. Look at those frickin' mountains. Holy cow. I think I'm at a picture place. This is a big, giant thing of stone that I'm going to try and climb up on. And look out if I can. Still coming off Wolf Mountain. It's taken me forever. I slack packed Moosilauke, but I'm not slack packing now. The hostel was full and they weren't going to slack pack anybody. Anyway, that mountain in front of me is one of the kinsmen that I need to get up and over, and then there's another one right behind it. And so onward I march as far as I can go today. Some wires. Whew. Boy, this thing is kicking my butt. Kicking it, and giving it back to me and showing it to me and saying, hey, you are not ready for this. And I'm like, you are right. Wow. Whew. Yeah, not ready for this. But just keep fighting with it. Maybe we'll do it. I thought that piece of paper was a white mark. No, somebody's butt paper. Ooh, if I follow down that way, which is impossible, by the way, you get to a lake. Some lake and a whole bunch more mountains. But no. And not much back that way. There is that. And I think that's the kinsman. I'm not sure. But I hope it doesn't go straight up it, because it's going to be tough. Tough, tough, tough. Whew. Huh. Well, I made it to the shelter. It's a brand new shelter. There's some southbounders that made it in. This is their second time doing the trail. They are a very cute couple. Got a couple section hikers in here with me. There's the bear box, and plus sign out there has everybody go out there to cook, which makes so much sense. So we do all our eating out there and cooking out there. And the water is, you can hear it, it's right over this thing here. Well, I only made 8 miles today. Today really kicked my butt. You know, it's just tough. It's tough, tough, tough. I got way too much food with me. My pack's pretty heavy. But, you know, it'll just be that way. I think I can make it most of the way through without having to do a resupply of the whites. And that's what I'm going to try and do. I should be in Franconia Notch tomorrow. And then onward and upwards. Let's see how we go. You know, let's see how this goes, because this is tough. This up is really tough. I mean, yeah. But tomorrow is my birthday. Maybe nature and the whites will be nicer to me because it's my birthday. What do you think? We'll see tomorrow.